Hey guys, my name is Siddesh Vojala and today I'm going to talk about a topic that is, should I be working out during your periods? So I get this question asked very frequently by all the female clients that I coach कि हमें periods के समय workout करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. So I'm going to answer all of these questions today so that we all can be on the same page, we can learn, we can share. Okay. Let's say that your period cycle lasts for around 4 or 5 days, the entire 5 to 6 days cycle. Okay, on the first or the second day, when the blood flow is too high, lot of people get cramps. Okay, पेट दुखता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. On the first day or the second day when the flow is too high, you can absolutely avoid working out. Okay, but if you are someone who doesn't, जिनको पेन नहीं होता, it is absolutely okay, you are all normal, you are not taking any kind of medications to stop that cramps, or you're absolutely okay, कोई भी पेन नहीं है, you can absolutely work out. What I would want to say here is always and always listen to your body. When you are, जब पहला दिन होगा आपका और जब फ्लो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, if you feel that no I am not, आज जिम जाने का मन नहीं है, that absolutely okay, एक दिन से कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, so you can absolutely take a rest, you can recover, you can complete all your calories for that day, and you can absolutely skip going to the gym on that day. Okay, second third day जैसे जैसे आपका पेन कम होते जाएगा, if you feel that, you can go ahead and you can go to the gym, you can absolutely go to the gym. Now this is case number 1. Case number 2, if you are someone who is facing a lot of problems while going to the gym during the periods, you can absolutely skip the gym first. Or if you want to go to the gym when you feel that on the second day जब flow कम है and you can go to the gym, go to the gym, but do the workouts with lesser intensity. Let's say that you are doing on a scale of 1 to 10, if you're doing on 9 or 10 every single day, on a scale of 1 to 10, you are on the 9 or 10 every single day other than your periods. You can just work out on a scale of 5 to 6, just lower down your intensity. जहाँ पे आप 10 पाउंड्स 15 पाउंड्स उठाने वाले हैं, उसके बदले आप 5 या 6 पाउंड या 7-8 पाउंड्स उठाइए, नॉर्मल से थोड़ा कम उठाइए, बिकॉज उस दिन आपका इंटेंसिटी कम होगा, उस दिन आपका एनर्जी लेवल्स लो होगा, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज ऑलरेडी फाइटिंग विद समथिंग एल्स. सो ऑन दैट डे आई डोंट वांट यू टू लिफ्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट्स, ऑलवेज लिसन टू योर बॉडी. Secondly, if you want to lift weights and you are doing it with lighter intensity, okay, I would also want you to advise that you can absolutely skip doing your legs. So let's say first or second day पे अगर आपका leg day आता है, okay, या third day पे, and if you feel that नहीं pain ज़्यादा है, I can't go to the gym, but still you are pushing yourself to go to the gym, you can avoid doing your legs. Just do your upper body workouts and do some amount of cardio if it is included in your program, or if you like to do. Okay, you can absolutely skip your leg day on the first or second day, and you can push it to the fourth or fifth day when you're feeling a little much better. Okay, so first is always listen to your body. Okay, अगर आपको लगता है पेन है, नहीं जाना चाहिए, take a day off, take 2 days off, it's absolutely okay. This is case number 1. Case number 2, नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं तो बहुत टाइम से जा रही हूँ जिम, it's okay, you can go to the gym, you can work out, but work out with lesser intensity. If you are working out on 9 to 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 में अगर आप 9 या 10 पे हैं, so I would want you to, I would advise you to work out on 5 to 6 on a scale of 1 to 10 में 5 to 6 पे workout करिए, lower down your intensity. Rule number 3, if you want to work out and if you specifically want to go and work out legs, if you are okay, if your body allows you to do that, go and do that. But my advice would be, try to train your lower body and try to train your upper body, just avoid your lower body completely. Okay, 3-4 days के बाद जब आप वापस नॉर्मलसी पे आ जाएंगे, तब आप आपका लोअर बॉडी वर्कआउट कर लेना. Till the time you are in your periods, make sure that your nutrition is on point, you are properly hydrated. Okay, see, because the thing is your body is continuously flowing the blood out of the body. Okay, so आपका fluid balance affect नहीं होना चाहिए. That is the reason keep yourself hydrated very well. Second, your nutrition should be on point, you are eating all the calories, you're not skipping anything. Okay, third is your sleep should be on point. Okay, you are not sleeping less like how you do on a normal day. So make sure that your nutrition, your sleep and your water intake should be on point. Okay, listen to your body. If your body allows you to train, go and train. If your body is asking you to take a rest day, take a rest day. avoid training your lower body in the first 2 or 3 days, okay, and keep going. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much.